clean the back of the phone.
Remove the cut from the sheet. Make sure all 3 layers are removed. Place the cut over the phone. Check if the alignment is correct. If the alignment is incorrect, lift all 3 layers and adjust the alignment. If the alignment is correct, holding on to the marked sticker, lift the hydrogel from the vertical side to the midpoint and gently push the bottom layer outward. Follow the same procedure on the opposing side. Remove the top layer, leaving the hydrogel on the phone. Push out the bubble to the corners.
Remaining bubbles, lines and shades will automatically heal off within 24 hours. Use a hair dryer and heat all 4 corners, and press the corners.
Order online. www.rizkacreations.com